Elevate your Sony A1 filmmaking by mastering the use of an external monitor for unparalleled shot monitoring. The Sony A1 is a powerhouse for video, and using an external monitor unlocks its full potential, giving you a larger, more detailed view of your image for critical focus and composition. Let's get started by connecting your monitor. First, locate the HDMI port on your Sony A1. It's typically a mini HDMI or micro HDMI port. Carefully insert the appropriate HDMI cable. Ensuring a snug fit, we're using a full-size HDMI cable here for demonstration, but your A1 might require a different connector. Check your camera's specifications to be sure. Now, connect the other end of your HDMI cable to the corresponding HDMI input on your external monitor. Make sure your monitor is powered on and set to the correct input source. You should immediately see a signal from your Sony A1 appear on the monitor. Next, power on your Sony A1. Once the camera is on and displaying an image, we need to configure its settings for optimal external monitoring. Press the menu button on your A1. Navigate through the camera's menu system. Look for a section labeled Setup, HDMI, or Display. The exact menu location can vary slightly depending on your firmware version, so explore these options to find the relevant settings. Within the HDMI settings, you'll want to find an option like HDMI Info Display or HDMI Output. Activate the HDMI Info Display to show essential information like your frame rate, shutter speed, ISO, and audio levels directly on your external monitor. This is crucial for monitoring your recording without cluttering your camera's LCD. For even greater accuracy, consider enabling features like frame guides for precise composition, zebra stripes to help manage exposure and avoid blown-out highlights, and crucially, focus peaking. Focus peaking will highlight and focus areas with a colored outline on your external monitor, making manual focusing significantly easier and more reliable. With these settings configured, your external monitor becomes an invaluable tool. You can now compose your shots with a larger, clearer view, ensuring perfect focus and exposure even in challenging lighting conditions. This significantly improves your workflow, especially for video recording and filmmaking, allowing you to capture professional quality footage with confidence. Get creative and start monitoring your world.